The pack, but look at Good Child on 36. He's taken up the running from Convery. Then comes Archer and Brendan Dipper moving up into third place. We've got bashing and bumping going on there. Tony Hyde's way back there in about fifth spot. He's trying to make up all sorts of ground. But Good Child it is that's out in front. In second place, it's Convery. Third place, it's Dipper. They've been the stalwarts of this class all day long, and it looks like they're going to be able to manage to do it again here in the 250s. Well, Jason Convery looks as though he's holding up Brendan Dipper. Brendan Dipper trying all sorts of manoeuvres to get up around the outside and the inside. Under brakes, he can't do it. They've got about 3 laps to go because this is their second lap, so they're going to have 3 more chances to come through this section of the course. But out in front, it's number 36, Simon Goodchild. He's made a great feast of the start. He's out in front, 152 Convery in second, 175 is Brendan Dipper back in third place. There's still a battle going on for fourth and fifth because all these points are very important to carry through to the third round when they go to Tamworth in about a month's time. Nevertheless, Brendan Dipper is still trying back there in third place to get up around the outside of Convery. He can't do it by the looks of it. Goodchild comes past, 2 more laps to go. Then Convery, Dipper, Archer, then 610, that's Craig Hill, he's coming through as well. Tony Hyde's back there in 6th place trying to make up all sorts of room, but he can't seem to do it. Well, Simon Goodchild seems very, very unworried or unperturbed about everybody out there in the failing line, if you like. He's still managed to get the best racing line and distance out in front of 152. Convery almost fell off. Then comes Dipper, then Archer, then still coming through at 610. That's Craig Hill, all the way up from the Western Motorcycle Club area. Tony Hyde still back there trying to do something about them all, and he can't. But for the last time through the right-hander across the swervery at the top of the hill, down they come the hill, through the left-hand sweeper, the pit turn, put your hands together, Goodchild first on 36, Convery second on 152, then it was 175 Dipper, 245 Archer, 610 Hill, then coming across the line it was 28 Tony Hyde. All of that is